so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi! And look at what I have! Whoa, dinosaur toys! Yeah! I love dinosaurs! They're so cool! And they're so old! So silly! Hey, when I was young, I really wanted to be a paleontologist. Yeah, that's someone that studies dinosaurs and fossils and digs them up. Fossils? Do you know what a fossil is? A fossil is just like a bone or an egg that got put under the ground for many, many, many years. And then it turned into essentially a rock. Isn't that cool? Well, hey, I think we should take this basket and go around this park and find some fossilized dinosaur eggs. Does that sound like fun? Let's go! Okay, here we go. Whoa! Look at that dinosaur. Whoa, that is a fossilized triceratops. Tri meaning 3. Do you see the spines? The pokey things on the front? Yeah, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that dinosaur is so cool. Let's go check it out. Whoa! Whoa! I'm inside the mouth of this dinosaur. It's so big. Here, come here. Whoa. Wow, do you see this? This used to be bone, but now it's just fossilized bone. Whoa, it's really hard. Okay. Whoa, let's go over here. Let's see what's around. Whoa, hey! A baby triceratops. Hello. Hey, how's your day going? Good? Nice and slow? Okay, anywho, bye-bye. Whoa! Whoa! Another egg! Wow! Look at it! Do you know what dinosaur this is? I do! A Blippisaurus! Oh, so silly! Whoa! What are these? Whoa, some dinosaur eggs! Oh, yeah, they're fossilized. I am so excited to break them open later and see what's inside. Okay, let's put them in our basket. And then let's go explore and see if we can find some more. Whoa! Whoa! There's a lot of sand right here. Yeah, look, come over here. Whoa, are you finding some eggs and fossils? Yeah, look. Whoa, you wanna hold that up? Whoa, check it out. We found some more eggs. Will you put it in my basket? Yeah, good job. Whoa, did you two find some eggs over here?
Yeah, but I found a big egg.
Oh, you did? Will you pick it up for me? Whoa, oh, thank you, thank you. Whoa, hold it up. Hold up an egg. Here we go.
I want to hold up the pink one.
Okay, hold up the pink one.
Hello,
fossilized eggs.
I want to too.
Oh, you do? Okay, here's a pink one. Okay, hold it up.
Hello.
Okay. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Can I have it, please? Okay, thank you very much. All right, bye-bye. Whoa, look at this. A dinosaur skull. Whoa, do you see its skull, its face, and its teeth right here? Oh, Yeah! Isn't this cool? This used to be a dinosaur, but now it's just a fossil. Hey, look! And some eggs! Will you put them in my basket? Oh. Here you go. Thank you very much. Good job to her. Whoa, some more over here. Whoa. These are ribs of a dinosaur. What did you find right there? Some more eggs. Whoa, big smile, okay? Yeah! So silly. Okay, now let's go see what's inside these eggs. Let's go. They're so cute! Wow! What a nice setting we have here. We have our fossils, and we have my paleontologist cheat sheet right here. Ooh, my tools, and my lunch. Can't forget about the lunch. Okay, in order to find the fossils from the inside of these dinosaur eggs, we need to put it in the water and let them soak, so then they get nice and soft. Shall we count the eggs? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whoa, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Do you know what a word that means 12? Yeah, 1 dozen. Okay, let's let them soak. Look at them. Whoa, pretty cool. Ooh, and then the colorful pink eggs. Yep, these aren't fossils. These are toys. Whoa, you can break them open. Whoa, look at that cute little creature. Hello. Kind of looks like a crab. Okay, there's a lot more of those, but I'm pretty hungry while we wait for these. Let's eat a really healthy lunch. We have some water. I love water. It tastes so good that moment that it hits my tongue. Ooh, what else do we have here? Ooh, an apple. Have you ever tried an apple before? Apples are fruit, and they are really tasty and good for you. And look at this. Do you know what this is? This is silly looking. They're like squares. Huh, well this is seaweed. Yeah, I said that right. Seaweed. You find this in the ocean. It's really healthy and really good. You should try some seaweed sometime. Ooh, and last but not least, a tasty, healthy sandwich. I love sandwiches. Ah, I love water. Hey, what's this doing here? This isn't part of my lunch, but it's part of my fun activities. Bubbles. Okay, you take out the little blower device and you pull it out. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa, I love bubbles. You know why? Because they're circle. They kind of look like eggs. So silly. Well, looks like we have some more time to kill for these eggs to soften up. So, why don't we head on over to the Pacific Science Center up in Seattle, Washington to check out some dinosaurs. So, be sure to see what dinosaur is your favorite. Whoa, check that out. That right there is a dinosaur. They don't live on our planet anymore, but they used to. Look at it. It kind of looks like a velociraptor. Will you act like a velociraptor with me? Whoa, another dinosaur. Whoa, this dinosaur, that's its name right there. It's really big. Hey, look at its head. Hey, see? It kind of looks like it's wearing a helmet. Just like when you and I ride bicycles, we wear helmets. Cool. Oh, here's some more dinosaurs. Whoa, look at that one. That is a triceratops. Do you know why they call it a triceratops? Yep, because it has 3 horns on its face and head. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. All right, see you later, Triceratops. Whoa. Hey, another dinosaur. Wow. Hey, dinosaur. Oh, this dinosaur right here was a herbivore. See, these plants, that means it eats plants. And plants only. It doesn't eat meat. And look at what's on its head. It kind of looks like a shark fin. So silly. Whoa, check this out. Whoa, this is a massive footprint. Okay, let's compare my foot to this dinosaur's foot. Ready? Its foot is way bigger than mine. It's even way bigger than 2 of my feet. Whoa, another dino. Check it out. This is a Stegosaurus. Whoa, do you see those plates on its back? That's for its defense mechanism. Wow. Hey, Stegosaurus. Oh, so many cool dinosaurs in here. Whoa. This dinosaur is so scary. It's the king and queen of the Dino Land. Whoa. I'm gonna act like this dinosaur, okay? Will you do the same? Ready? I love acting like a dinosaur. Oh, I think they're ready to be opened. Okay, let's grab our tools and let's open them up. Let's see, which one should I grab? Whoa, this one looks great. Okay, all right, so let's take it and then let's use our hammer and break it open. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Did you see that? It just split into 2 pieces. 1, 2. Oh, look at right here. Okay, I have a brush and I need to brush off. Oh, do you see that? Yeah, the dinosaur's tail. Okay, now we need a set of pliers so we can really get some of these pieces out of there. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Yeah, we got a dinosaur. Okay, let's rinse it off real quick. Whoa. Hey, look at it. Whoa, that's a cute dinosaur. Okay, now let's use our sheet to see what one it is. Okay, what one does it look like? Oh, it looks like that. A Styracosaurus. A Styracosaurus. Wow, that is a cool dinosaur. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's see. How about this one? Yeah, that looks good. Okay, what other tools do I have in here? Ooh, a screwdriver. All right, here we go. All right, yeah, good job. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, I see a little bit. Let's take our brush. Yeah. Good job. Do you see it poking out? Yeah. Okay, we need to do a little bit more. Okay, let's take the screwdriver. Whoa. Look. Oh, we're almost there. Okay. Oh, whoa, good job. There it is. Okay, let's rinse it off. Whoa, I'm so excited. Wow, look at that one. Whoa. I don't even know what kind of dinosaur that is. Okay, let's use our cheat sheet. Here we go. Okay, what one does it look like? There it is. It looks like a Corythosaurus. Corythosaurus. Yeah, Corythosaurus. Whoa, here we go. Okay, how about one more dinosaur? Okay, let's use our flashlight to see in there. Okay. Oh, there's one. How about this one? This one looks real good. Okay, this one's really tough, so we need to bring on the saw. Okay, cut. Okay, cut it. Cut. Oh, hey, look! The tail! Cut. Whoa, okay, there we go. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah! What a big dinosaur! Okay, let's rinse it off. Wow. Look at that dinosaur. That looks like a really big dinosaur. Has a really tall neck, a really long tail. Okay, let's use the cheat sheet. Okay, let's see. Looks like a Diplodocus. Diplodocus. That's a silly name. Diplodocus. Well, good job. It was so much fun finding these fossilized eggs with you and then seeing what dinosaurs were inside. Yeah! Oh, hey! I was just acting like a dinosaur. You want to act like a dinosaur with me? Yeah, come on, let's do it. That's so much fun. Get ready, because we are about to sing and dance to the dinosaur song.
A long time ago on this planet Earth, before we ever existed, another kind of creature ruled the land, and this is a song for them. Dinosaurs, Triceratops had 3 horns on their head in case they ever needed to defend. The Brachiosaurus had a really long neck, and at the end was a itty-bitty head. Pterodactyls would soar through the sky. Their wings were enormous in size, and if they stood up straight on the ground, they would be as tall as a giraffe. Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh, I love dinosaurs. Raptors were smart and fast, and like wolves they would hunt in packs. The Elasmosaurus was the king of the deep. He'd swim around in the sea. The Ankylosaurus had a tail like a hammer and a body that was built like a tank. And the Spinosaurus had a spine like a sail, and they looked quite a bit like a crocodile. Oh boy, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. They'd roam the land on their big back legs and let out a mighty roar. They were large and fierce, and they only ate meat. They had the biggest, sharpest teeth.
But little tiny arms are always just kinda hanging there off of my body.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, oh, I love dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, prehistoric dinosaurs.
Whoa! Look! I'm on top of a dinosaur! Alright, here we go! Yeah! Whoa! Whee! This is so much fun riding a dinosaur! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, let's head back this way, alright? Okay, here we go! Giddy up! Whoa! 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 Whee! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you act like you are riding a dinosaur as well? Okay, let's do it at the same time. Okay, act like you're riding a dinosaur and sitting on it. Okay, on the count of 3, you say, giddy up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Giddy up! Whoa! Whee! Good job! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa now. Do you want to do it again? Yeah! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Giddy up! Whoa! 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 Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, that was so much fun riding this dinosaur and seeing all those fossils with you. Hey, remember what I said earlier about me wanting to be a paleontologist? Yeah, all it takes for you to do anything you want in this whole wide world is dedication and hard work. And you are very special, and you can do it. Just stay dedicated, do that hard work, and you can be whatever and whoever you want. Well, this is the end of this video. So if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Well, see you again. Bye-bye. Get it! Whoa! Hello, friends. It's me, Blippi. And today we're exploring construction vehicles. Let's see. Can you guess which vehicle this is? Let's go find out. Hey! It's me, Blippi. Wow, and look at where I'm at.
Yeah, today I'm at Tenino, Washington at a job site. Yeah, and today you and I get to learn about a machine. Yeah, a really heavy machine. Has a really big blade up front, pushes anything and everything out of its way. Has a lot of power. It's a little slow though. And it starts with the letter B, just like my name. Do you know what machine it is? Okay, let's go find out. Woohoo! Whoa! Check it out. Wow, a piece of construction equipment. And this is a powerful piece of construction equipment. Do you know what machine this is? Yeah, this is a bulldozer. Whoa, wow, it is so powerful. Here, come on. Whoa, this is the blade of the bulldozer. Yeah, the blade pushes anything and everything out of its way. And then it goes flat on the ground and then makes the ground nice and flat. Whoa! Whoa! And how it gets all of its power is right here. Yeah, the engine. And this is the engine compartment. Yeah, it produces a lot of power and a lot of smoke out of the exhaust. Whoa, super cool. Hey, do you see these? Huh, this is silly. Yeah, there's no wheels and tires. That's silly, huh? Oh, these are called tracks. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, these metal things go down into the dirt, the gravel, the mud, so then it has really good traction, so then it doesn't slip and slide. All right, I think I should take it for a spin. Woohoo! Whoa, so comfortable. All right, first things first, safety first. Perfect. Now that I'm nice and safe with my seatbelt, we can operate the bulldozer. Yeah, you operate a bulldozer. You do not drive a bulldozer. Okay, see these hand controls? This is how you operate the bulldozer. This one makes you go forward and backward, and this one, yeah, this is what you use to control the blade. All right, here we go. Let's turn on the key. Woohoo! All right, flip up the safety doodads, and here we go. Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Woohoo! All right. Whoa! Was fun. That was awesome! Wow, what a powerful machine. Did you see that big blade up front? Yeah, it's so good and powerful. It pushes anything and everything out of its way. Our first vehicle was a bulldozer. They are such an important piece of equipment and help clear the way. Can you guess what this next vehicle is? Let's go check it out. Let me give you some hints on what piece of machinery we're gonna learn about. Okay, it's a machine that loves to dig. Yeah, it typically has tracks. Yeah, has an arm and a boom And a bucket. Digs big holes. And it starts with the letter E. Can you guess it? Okay, here we go. Did you see that? Yeah! This excavator. Yeah, I was driving and holding this giant log. Wait, did you hear that? Yeah! An excavator! Wow! What a cool machine. This is actually a mini excavator. Yeah, they have small ones like this, and they have big ones like that. Wow! Hey, did you see I was sitting in the seat? Yeah, this is the cab of the excavator. Wow, there's so many controls in there. Oh, so cool. Hey, and look down here. Wow. Yeah, just like a bulldozer, this excavator has tracks. But a bulldozer's tracks are metal, and these, yeah, they're rubber, like tires. Wow, that is really cool. The cab can swing around. Yeah, did you see me swing around? Whoa, so cool. Oh, and up here, wow, it's hard to see because the bucket is right here, but this is the blade. Just like a bulldozer, this excavator has a blade to flatten things out and push things out of its way. And where this log is sitting, yeah, this is the bucket of the excavator. Wow, this bucket has some big teeth. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, and look at this. This kind of looks like a big tooth, but this is actually called a thumb. Wow, the thumb is used to grab things, just like this log. Whoa, and all this is the arm and the boom, which then can lift up, swing around, and use the bucket to dig. Yeah, I think I should hop on in and do some digging. Woohoo!
I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. Got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm I'm an excavator. Excavator.
Hey, dirt!
See you later. I'm an excavator.
Whoa! Look at how big this hole is that I just dug. Wow, so cool. Hey, and look at this big pile of dirt. Whoa, I love dirt. Yeah, because it's fun to play around in, and it's the perfect home for some plants. Woohoo! Here we go. Here you go, plants. Woohoo! Wow. Excavators are awesome. Yeah! Wasn't that excavator so cool? I love getting to dig things up, and an excavator makes it so easy and fun. Whoa! That sure was fun learning about that excavator today, wasn't it? Yeah! You can dig some massive holes with the excavator. And since it doesn't have wheels and tires, it has tracks. Yeah, you never get stuck. Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.